and eminent social activist. Friends, today I am going to give you some parenting tips related to examination. I am sure in most of the houses, examination of your kids are going on, be it in any class. And during this time period, your kids or your children must be worried, full of tension and anxiousness about their performance. And similarly, you are also feeling the same. I'm sure you must wanted to relieve your children and yourself from such kind of tension. So how to overcome out from how to overcome out from the tension and anxiousness related to examination. This video is related to positive parenting. So I'm giving you few tips how to overcome out from these type of problems. First tip is you need to make an easy and suitable timetable for your ward. Make a systematic timetable related to his studies, activities, eating habits and everything. It has been observed that most of the time in the early morning, when a child is wake up, his mind is fresh, his brain is more active, and he feel more active and healthier as compared to full day. So accordingly, this is the best time for the studies. Try to wake up your child in early morning because his brain and mind are more active during this particular period of time. Whatever he will learn, it will be more permanent as compared to other time period. The second tip is use more visuals. Visuals means not only multimedia, but it also means various kinds of flowchart, which you can convert your topic into flowchart. Jot down important points of the particular topic, and you can memorize facts as well by mind mapping. Apart from that, there are so many websites and educational websites such as Byju's, etc., which are helpful for the students. Similarly, even YouTube Kids channel is available, which is free of cost, wherein your children and even you can also guide your kids by watching the related topic, by visualization. Because what scientists say, that when we use all our senses, that memory becomes more permanent. So you can utilize these type of channels and jot down important points in your diary or in their notebook as well. Then memorize all those points. Now the third point is, which is very important and very effective tool, that is solving previous year's question paper. Try to read, learn and revise, and after that you can solve previous year's question papers, but for that you need to take care of the time limit. Suppose if question paper is of 3 hours, try to inculcate habits in your child that he or she will finish that particular question paper within 3 hours only. So you need to make a time for him, you need to tell your ward to maintain the time limit and complete the full question paper as a part of the revision within that stipulated time. Next tip is, which is again very important, you need to stay calm. Don't be so much anxious and aggressive during examination days. You are looking to your child and you are also becoming a little aggressive or arrogant, which is not good for the child. So you need to stay calm and tell to your child also to stay calm. And also tell them there is no other key apart from hard work to succeed in your life. To stay calm, you can use yoga, you can inculcate habits of yoga. You need to motivate your kids for positive thinking. And tell them if they are studying continuously, they can take small breaks. In fact, they can utilize breaks in the form of their hobbies. They can utilize their hobbies, they can listen to good music, they can do dance, whatever they want during that particular short break. It will make them more active and refreshed. Apart from that, always motivate them to be positive. Whenever they feel depressed or negative, just remind them about their achievements which they have achieved during their past times. Tell them they are very precious. As a parent, you need to be a good motivator too. So, this is really very helpful for your child and even for you too to cope up with the anxiety and tension. Next tip is a sound body has a sound mind. And for that, you need to take healthy diet, take plenty of water and juices, drink that particular drink which keeps the body hydrated. Eat light food, don't eat junk food, and try to avoid fried food as well. Give your child maximum vitamin enriched and protein full diet, and that too at particular time intervals, so that he should remain healthy and he may not feel lethargic or sleepy. Now the next tip is related to the examination day. We have observed that many of the students study late at night during examination. Just guide them to avoid this kind of habit. They need to revise well in advance, and on examination day they need to take a good sleep with proper diet. Try to arrange their bags well in advance. Tell them to arrange their bags, stationery items well in advance, reach school on time, and take care of the timely management. Remember, hard work always pays off, and systematic life makes it possible. So these are the few tips which as a parent you can inculcate in your children, and inculcate these habits on a daily basis, not only during examination. Now I'm telling you one more wonderful thing, that is the recipe of the month. I'm sure you will like it. And this recipe of the month is strawberry banana smoothie. I'm sure most of you must have a mouthful taste in your taste bud. So how to make it? It's very easy and it's a matter of few minutes only. For that you need to take 2 cups of strawberries, 1 fresh peeled banana, 1 cup of almond or soya milk. Apart from that, you can take 1 tablespoon of honey or sugar, or as per your taste. You can also add 1 cup of ice or cold water if you feel so. Now what you need to do? You need to blend all these ingredients in a blender and your recipe is ready. You can give it to your child and it will be very healthy as well as very tasty. Because strawberry is the ingredient which is full of vitamin C, which is very much required to keep mind peaceful and active, energetic as well. Similarly, banana is rich source of calcium as well as protein. So, I'm sure this is a very enriching activity and it can give energy on instant basis, and that too it is pure. So try to give this recipe to your child. At the end I would like to say, you are the best friend of your kids. Nobody else can understand them better than you. So you need to keep them motivating, you need to remain positive and try to tell them examination is not the end of the life, it is just a test of the life. So every test has 2 coins, failure as well as success. To succeed in life, we need to work hard, but not occasionally, timely managed and regularly. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day.